Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another maintenance video. This is the Suzuki Bandit S650 2006, and this time we have a problem with the registration plate light. It's gone, it's not working. Let's replace it. As we can see here, there is nothing, no screws, nothing, so everything should go just out. To change the registration plate bulb, we have to unscrew these two bolts up here, and then the whole light, I mean the whole plastic goes out on the other side. This is basically the pocket that you got with your Bandit. This is everything, I mean all the keys are here, and to unscrew those two bolts you will need only this key, and this is number 10. So it is very easy to do it. You can just unscrew it manually. Okay, let's see now what is going on here. Yeah. What you have to do next is to disconnect this connector here, the white one, and then you will have the possibility to change the bulb, because the wiring is not that long. The next step is to remove these two bolts, and then the plastic, the red plastic, goes out. The new bulb, guys, 5 watts, 12 volts. Be careful not to touch it, and just turn it clockwise. It's inside. The bulb, it's fine, and now we should do everything in the reverse way. It's done, guys. It takes around 20 to 25 minutes. You have to unscrew those two bolts, and then disconnect the wiring for the light, and you're basically done. So it is an easy job. Everyone can do it. Just take your time. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.